how to use a socket with a Makita impact driver. So if your sockets only have a hex like this and no hex cutout, you will not be able to enter it into the end like this, because it will not stay in place no matter what you try. So what you will need is either a bit holder like this with a hex cutout, so you just enter it like that, let go unless you're stuck, and then you'll be able to put your socket in the end like this and then quickly swap it out. It is magnetic, so it is stuck in. Now that's the easiest solution. However, you can also get a chuck adapter, again with the hex cutout, and add your bits in the end like that. So there's two different options. The easiest obviously is with the bit holder, or with actually sockets with the hex cutout themselves. It depends what you prefer. However, so hopefully them few options help you out how to attach a socket set to your Makita